Welcome back, guys. So now in the last session we covered the total part of the lambda. So now today I'm going to show you, or like in this video, I'm going to show you one thing. If you in the previously we give that permission only for that what is that what is that previous we give permission only we give permission only. What is that permission? Create, and here you can go inside the policy section. Inside the policy, the create and EC2 instance start and stop. Here, see, just click on the type. Here we will get the customer. Okay. Vivek Lambda inline policy or status. This policy we have created. Na? So we just giving these things. Now try to do some extra thing. Like I want to give execute inside the Lambda. So now last session we covered inside the Lambda function. This function we covered. If you don't know this, you can go and watch this another the last session. Okay, part number. What the part I don't know. Just I will share the link on this video description. Okay, so now let's hit one S3 thing. S3. I want to create a bucket or like list of buckets. Just I need to create one bucket. Just I for the demo purpose I am giving that. If you're not giving the permission to that lambda, so what is the error we get and where we error? Okay. So now just create my bucket 0 0 0 0 0 0 something like that. Unique name you should give it. Now, when the bucket is created, it will give that 200 like JSON term. Okay, it's giving the one message bucket is created. Now go and check the S3. Okay, now go check the S3 if anything is there. Okay, inside the S3, lambda. Yeah, inside the reason we need to put it S3 is the global. Okay, so now just is it. Inside that, create a bucket or like here, if you click, let's see, dashboard, lens, and access general purpose bucket, table bucket. Okay. Now here we don't have any bucket kind of thing. So now just let create a bucket by using this. Okay. Okay. Now just hit one lambda function. Just now deploy this function. Deploy this function. Function is deployed successfully. No error we get. Definitely no error. Okay. Now we need to import Boto 3 live. No? Yeah. Now we have Boto 3. Now deployed. So let's try to test it. Now we get definitely we get error. What is that error we get? Now an error illegal location constant exception while the create bucket operation the unspecified location constant is incompatible for the reason specific endpoint. This is the was sent to that error. Okay. So now this is the error why we think because we not put any reason, right? So let's put the reason here first. Okay. Some errors. Mm-hmm. Let's see what happened. Okay. Mhm. One minute. Okay. Now we need to put some reason. Okay. So we need to put reason as well. Specify the bucket as well. Lambda runtime update can cause unexpected function behavior. The function using manage runtime and the trigger function changed. We can apply automatically to determine runtime has been updated. Check the runtime as well. Okay. Let me. I'm not required to the test it occurred legal status like that. Okay, so now we put it one reason. Okay, otherwise we just put inside the S3. Inside the S3, reason equals to underscore name equals to uh, app hyphen south hyphen. Perfect. Now let's try this. We get some different error or not. Let's see. Just okay, first need to deploy. First need to deploy. Deploy the function and test. Create bucket of an unassociated location. You know, see the end part of this. App is count minus one. Just put one thing I need to do. Just okay. Just put it on inside of variable kind of thing. Reason. Reason equals to app hyphen south is one, right? And reason name underscore reason name means just I'm passing like that. Okay, okay. Reason, yeah, perfect. Let us see what happens. Create bucket. Create bucket. We have that bucket name for the bucket name, and is it is location constant. Let's wait and deploy this. Specify the endpoint constant location. Okay. Now let me give the permission to create S3 bucket. After that, we can check this error is happening or not. Inside the policy, just Vivek start stop policy, है ना? So go inside this policy and edit this policy. Just click on the edit the policy. Okay. And add filter policy. Yes3 express output table. S3 list or like create. Okay, create list access list bucket. Create object create object. Okay, create access create bucket. Yeah, I'll give the permission of the create bucket and list of the bucket. Let's see. Add this. Add the resource. AWS S3 resource all resources bucket. Add or no bucket all resources. Let's see. Right. So now next, let's see what happens. Save the changes. Right for me. Okay, so now we are giving S3 permission to here. Now let's see. Inside the function, just deploy this and try to run. That's what error we get. Error is getting now. So let's modify the code here as well inside the bucket. We put it one create bucket configuration. Create bucket configuration. Okay, and suggestion it is coming. configuration equals to and this one single quotes. What is that? Location constraint. Constraint. Uh, Perfect. And colon reason. Let's see what happens. Let us see what happens. Now I'll deploy this. Deploy successfully. Please type. Now loading. Now our bucket is created. Created bucket S3. Now let's see inside the table and S3. Access table buckets and bucket. Here you can see that general purpose bucket we get it, directory bucket, general purpose bucket we get it. Definitely we get, yeah. Now this bucket is created. Now after the permission we get, that's the bucket. If you remove the permission here, this things add it. And one thing we need to resource S3, remove this thing, what is that? And the condition. Okay, here you can just resources inside this resource, remove this and remove this one S3. Okay, so now remove the S3. Yeah. And now the definition is important, guys. Okay, just remove S3 bucket. Perfect. And fix the syntax. Okay, this error we get it. Now perfect. Now resource. Okay, resource we get it. And add this and next and save the changes. Now, right now we don't have, just create on Lambda function. Here you can see that Lambda function and create the bucket name like 0, 0. Just change the name by bucket की जगह पे कर देता है test bucket. Test bucket. Okay. So now deploy the function. Now right now we get okay. Yeah. So now access denied. We get this error I got. Now access denied. Get it, we are getting. So this is the happen. I want to just tell you guys so how the bucket is getting permission. Okay, thank you. We will meet next videos. The more related update. Okay, thanks.